Whoever thought that My Only Love was gonna be our last movie together? Tapos nag-break up kaming dalawa ni Gabby. And then we reconciled na lang yung Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin, which was like
Wish I
2
was
years
a
after.
bird, I'd warm you
Hindi
in
ganun
my
lang.
wing,
Pinag-isipan ko mabuti.
safe
Pero ang
from
palagay ko, madali sa
all
akin na magdesisyon
the
dahil mahal ko
storm.
talaga si Gabby na alam kong pakakasalan ko.
You
Mahirap lang
know true
magdesisyon para sa akin ng mga
love
panahon
can
yun.
bring,
Dahil ang iniisip ko
but
rin
I'm not a
ang
bird,
I've always
and
been told myself,
wishes
parang
can
iniisip ko
just
na kaya
fly
nila,
away, my love,
isipin nila, sana naman hindi ko sila
and
masyadong
I'll
masaktan.
never be
Pero alam ko na
afraid
maiintindihan din nila ako.
of who I am and who I'm not, come what may.
Wish I was your child. Hold me in your heart. We could love so free and know we'd never part. But I'm not a child, and wishes are just child's play, my love. No, I'll never be afraid of who I am and who I'm not, come what may. But I'm not a bird shining in your eyes and your skies, my love. No, we'll never be afraid of who we are
And who we're not, come
what may. Who we are and who will not,
come what may.
Marami na akong napuntahang kasal. Nung bata pa ako hanggang ngayon.
who will.
Pero hindi ko akalaing mapupuntahan ko ang sarili kong kasal. Hindi maging pa talaga ang feeling dahil alam mo ikaw ang haharap doon. Ikaw ang magsasabi ng final about mo, the final I do. Dapat maganda ang pagkasabi niyan dahil isang beses ko na sasabihin yan eh. Anyway, itong mga kaibigan ko ngayon, maraming tinatanong sa akin ng isa sa mga tanong nila sa akin kung ano talaga ang feeling ko ngayon. Sabi ko naman sa kanila, basta't mahal mo ang babae at alam mong mahal ka rin niya, there's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to be afraid of. At ako naman at si Sharon, wala naman akong problema sa kanya dahil she's my sweetheart.
Wish I was a bird, I'd warm you in my wing, safe from all the storm. You know true love can bring, but I'm not a bird, and wishes can just fly away, my love, and I'll never be afraid of who I am and who I'm not, come what may.
Wish I was
of marrying Gabby Concepcion. Samantalang, the first time I met him, I think it was in one of the shows of the former GMA Super Show, yung Germ Special. I was thinking to myself, napaka-antipati ko naman itong lalaki to. Hindi ko man lang inisip na kakaibiganin ko siya or something. So, ganon. And then I got to meet him again nung magsushooting na kami ng Dear Heart. Nagkaroon ng meeting yung buong cast. Pero sa Dear Heart, nung una ko
Shining in your
sabi ko,
eyes
tingin na kahit
and
sino.
your skies
Huwag lang si Gabby. Now I'm gonna walk down the aisle towards that altar and then I'll meet him there. Parang mahirap paniwala. I wonder how he feels also right now. Imagine sa Dear Heart lang nagsimula to. After 3 other movies, eto na. Pero kung sa bagay, mahal ko naman talaga siya. Mahal ko siya kasi he's very sweet. Napaka-gentle niya. Napaka-bait. Napaka-thoughtful. Saka, dati lahat tayo may moods, pero kahit may moods siya, ako rin may moods. Mabait naman, mabilis rin mag-recover. Saka, kahit sa losa siya, nasa lugar naman. Napakabait niya talaga. Tutuwa ako because he's always, concerned. Laging, hindi lang puro sarili niya iniisip niya. Ako rin, lagi. Parang, hindi lang yung kapakanan niya iniisip niya, syempre yung sa akin din. Sa magiging baby namin, sa magiging pamilya namin, sa ibang tao pa. Tsaka he's very responsible, napaka-hardworking niya. Siguro magagawa ko na maging isang mabuting misis, tsaka isang mabuting mommy sa mga magiging anak namin. Yan siguro. And then after Dear Heart, Gabby and I went on to do our second movie, which was our first movie under Viva Films, and it was also Viva's first movie.